how to fix account exists on this device. Now, first of all, we need to understand the error. So this message means an account is already linked to your device. It can happen if someone, or it will happen if someone else used the word app on your phone before. Now, how to solve that? So first of all, you install and reinstall the Word app. Now, delete the app from your device, then go to the App Store or Google Play if you use Android and install it or reinstall it again. Now, after that, clear app cache or clear app data. So go to settings, then apps, then Word app, then tap on storage and tap on clear data. This removes any save info from the old account. Now, after that, use a new phone number. So you cannot create a second account with the same number on one device. Try signing up with a different phone number. After that, use a different device if possible. So if the issues continue, try registering from a different phone or tablet. Each Word app account is linked to one device only. Finally, contact Word app support. So if you still get the error, go to the help section on the Word app website, send them a message explaining the issue for further help. And this is how to fix account exists on this device. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.